tulsi, badam, ginger, pepper powder. These four keep inside here, and so badam and tulsi leaves press together first. Badam and tulsi leaves press together first. After that, add peppers, 4 to 5 peppers, and press it. Then add ginger and press it. And take this all and in boiled milk, it's already boiling, and first add turmeric powder in the milk, and then this mixing powder, this mixed, just now we prepared this paste, right? This powder we need to add in the milk. After 10 minutes boiling this, we have to filter this. After 10 minutes full boiled, you have to filter by using this into one of the glass and drink it. So 3 days, that will your cold, cough, everything go away.